President Jacob Zuma has vowed to appeal a court judgment that he should pay for his own legal fees. The High Court in Pretoria ruled that Zuma was not entitled to state funding in his legal battles earlier this month. The court upheld the application by the DA and the EFF and set aside the presidency's earlier agreement, which had authorized state funding for Zuma's defense in criminal cases. Now, posting on his Twitter feed, Zuma says despite his respect for the court's decision, he feels the judiciary needs to be consistent in its treatment of all South Africans.
Well, I thought it was important to make some short comments on the decision taken by the court with regard to me paying the monies that were paid by the state in my case. The reason why I thought I should do so is that I have instructed my lawyers to appeal this decision or judgment. But I thought I should make some of these comments. What I would like to make clear is that all of us as citizens of this democratic country, we must all respect the judgments by courts at whatever level, because these judgments are judgments which we believe are taken by people who have given a thorough thought, listened to evidence, balanced the facts. At times, these may be very painful decisions and you might be feeling very hurt, perhaps as I do. But once the court has taken a decision, it has taken a decision. But all of us must listen properly to the case and look at the evidence and compare the evidence perhaps to the judgment, but also to look at the judgment itself, whether we are consistent in our country in terms of applying the law. I'm saying this because many of the leaders who were in charge of apartheid system, some of whom who killed my comrades, they were charged. And there are quite a number of them. The state paid for their cases, not just small amounts, very huge amounts, paid by this very democratic state that we all fought to bring about. But the very same state is saying, me, one among those who fought for this very democratic state, I must pay for myself. So apartheid killers, they must be defended by the state. Fighters of the democratic country, they must pay for themselves. Let us apply our minds and let us respect, as well as be consistent with regard to judgments that have been taken before about the same cases. You can't have them contradicting each other. I just thought I should make those comments for all to know how I feel. Thank you very much.